Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Moltbot AI login issues. Moltbot AI is an advanced artificial intelligence assistant designed to help users with automated tasks, AI generated chat responses and AI powered drawing tools. Accessing your account is essential to unlock all the features including premium functionalities. In this tutorial you'll learn how to fix common login issues in Moltbot AI, and this guide provides step-by-step solution to resolve login errors whether you are using an iPhone, Android or the desktop browser. First, make sure to check your internet connection. Ensure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can go to your notifications icon, and a weak or unstable internet connection is one of the most common causes of the login failures. And the next step is to update the Moltbot AI app. You can go to the App Store or the Google Play Store if you're Android and search for the Moltbot AI. And you need to tap update if an update is available. Using the latest version of the app help fixes bugs that may prevent login as well. And once you update your app, you can simply reopen it again. And this is it. This tutorial has explained how to fix login issues in Moltbot AI. By following this step, you can regain access to your Moltbot account and continue using its AI chat and drawing features effectively. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.